Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic tool for creating quick sketches, illustrations, or adding hand-drawn elements to your designs without needing complex software. Let's jump right in and explore how you can start drawing. First, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express account. This gives you full access to all the creative tools and features available on the platform. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage. Here, look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. This is your gateway to beginning any creative project within Adobe Express. Next, on the right side of your screen, click on Quick Actions. This section houses various fast tools that let you accomplish specific tasks without starting a full project from scratch. Now locate the search bar within the Quick Actions panel and type Drawing into it. This will filter the available tools to show you exactly what you need for creating illustrations. From the search results, click on Drawing to open the Drawing Tool interface. Once you're in the Drawing interface, take a look at the left panel. Here, you'll find pre-made templates that you can use as starting points for your artwork. These templates are helpful if you want some guidance or inspiration for your design. However, if you prefer to start from scratch and create something entirely your own, click on Brush in the upper left panel. This activates the drawing tool and lets you begin creating freehand artwork. Before you start drawing, you'll want to customize your brush settings, navigate to the option labeled Size, and you'll see a slider directly below it. Adjust this slider based on your preferences to control how thick or thin your brush strokes will be. This flexibility allows you to create fine details or bold, expressive lines depending on your artistic vision. Next, navigate to the color picker. This is where you can select your preferred brush color from a wide palette of options. Choose a color that fits the mood or style of your drawing, and you're ready to start creating. Now you can draw freely on your canvas. Simply click and drag your mouse or use your stylus if you're on a tablet to create your artwork. The interface is intuitive and responsive, making the drawing experience smooth and enjoyable. Alternatively, if you want to explore more customized brush options, navigate back to the left panel and select from the various brush styles available. Adobe Express offers different brush types that can give your artwork unique textures and effects. After selecting a brush style, you can still adjust the brush size if needed using the slider in the left panel. This gives you complete control over how your strokes appear on the canvas. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to draw in Adobe Express and customize your tools to match your creative needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.